How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I apologize. It has been a couple weeks I've made an upload. It's been kind of hectic at work and a few other things going on personally. But anyway, today I've got you some detailing content. Now, first off, disclaimer, I am not a professional detailer. I never have been. I never claim to be. But I'm good at what I do. So anyway, guys, here's what we're going to have going on today. As you see right here, look whose car I got. Yes, I got Speed Addict 731's 2020 Mustang GT with all the goodies on it. We're going to be detailing this car up today because he has a photo shoot tomorrow for a muscle car calendar. But anyway, guys, as you can see right here, his car actually is in very, very good shape. I mean, it is a little bit dirty, but we're going to make it all nice, clean, and shiny and polished up for this photo shoot tomorrow. And as you can see, yeah, I'm going to give my big red truck a little bit of a wash down too. So anyway, guys, let's get to it. I got the outside of Mr. Speed Addict's car all done up, cleaned up, get all the gunk and grime off it. Now I'm still going to go over it one more time, more than likely, just because it's probably been a while since he's actually hand washed it. But the first stage, what I call the majority of the cleaning, has been done. Wheels and tires, wheel wells have been done. The tips have been done, cleaned and scrubbed. I'm probably gonna throw a little sealer and polish on them. Next thing I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna give it a good wet soak down. Like I said, quick wipe down to make sure everything's good. And then I air dry it. Now what I mean by air dry it is literally, I got a gas powered leaf blower with a filter on it, and I blow all the air out of nooks and crannies and everything else. Now, one thing he did ask me, he does not want any plastic treatment anywhere and very little on the tires. Now what I use on the tires is normally kind of a satin finish anyway. It just darkens up the tires. And guys, if you also ask, I most of the time only use Chemical Guys products. I've used their stuff. It works. It's helped me out in the past with some of my old show cars I used to show all the time. Good products, good prices, and pretty good shipping if you order online. So unless you got a local retailer. Now I do use some over-the-shelf stuff you can get at like your typical parts houses, you know, AutoZone, Advance, Napa, stuff like that. I use that stuff also, but lack of a better word, I like the Chemical Guy stuff better. It's a little better formulated, it's easier on stuff, it's easier on your paint, it won't eat into clear coat, it won't eat into coatings, and a lot of their stuff also will work on dip cars, so just a heads up. But anyway guys, we're about to start it. I'm gonna do a quick wipe down and blow it off, and we're gonna get to the inside. Let's take a look, see what we got in here. All right guys, sorry about that, my GoPro died. I didn't catch it till after I basically got done with Speed Addict's car. But anyway guys, just want to go over with you how well his car turned out. Like I said, I am not a professional by any means, but the results always come out good because I take my time and do stuff. And as you can see right here, man, his car does look good, makes that blue pop. Went through, he does not like shiny tire shine, so it is actually a satin dressing that I wiped off, so I didn't even get that much of a gloss, just deepened it up like he likes it. All cars all nice, clean. The piano black did not scratch up, which I am very glad to see. Got this all cleaned up, got his tips all cleaned and polished as best I can. I really need to take some more compound to them, but we'll do that again at a later date. But the results speak for themselves. The reflections are beautiful in it. The color is definitely beautiful, you can't deny that with this car. And even then went inside, just basically wiped it down. He does not like a shiny anything, so I literally just wiped it down, vacuumed it out really good. And that's all you need for this car. I mean, you can't deny it's a good looking car, it's a good running car. But anyway guys, like I said, I'm actually about to return Speed Addict's car to his house. He's actually on a trip right now with his wife. I'm gonna return it to his house, and then we're gonna get to cleaning this big thing right here. Now I am not going to go full detail on this thing because I've got plans to actually do full paint correction and everything else probably come later on in the spring, but right now let's get to it. Hey guys, you can obviously see it's not the same day. Had a bunch of stuff happen. Basically did a little bit of a photo shoot with Speed Addict 731's car. I will throw a link up here for his videos and stuff like that. Check it out. I don't know if he actually did anything, but I did take some pictures of the car once I actually got it fully wiped down again. Here they are in just a random order. As you can see guys, the reflection of this car and the way this car turned out looks amazing. The only thing I wish I could do more is do better paint. It is actually do paint correction that don't take me forever. I'm an amateur as far as paint correction goes, but I try to do my best. But like I said, his car turned out phenomenally, as you can tell in these pictures. But anyway, guys, Big Red over there too also got cleaned up. But this is basically a week later. The storms we had come through West Tennessee and most of the Southeast last night did ravage us a little bit. Me and Speed Addict actually, it's kind of funny. I think we're turning into like the post office because nor rain, nor sleet, nor snow will not stop us from delivering parts if people want to buy them. I rode with him back earlier in the year to deliver his twin turbo kit to a gentleman up in Middle Tennessee. Well, he rode with me to deliver my old Texas engine from my 97 Cobra here to a gentleman from East Tennessee that met us in Middle Tennessee in the middle of these storms, so go figure. But anyway guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't, and be on the lookout. I got another video dropping here in about 2 to 3 days for some shiny stuff for the Cobra. But anyway guys, we'll catch you at the next video.